welcome to Growing Guitar into a fun song. KSI and Oliver Tree made the voices. Alright, so it's a 3-chord song here. It goes in the same with the entire song. And I'm gonna show you how to get this going here with this clapper rhythm. So let's start this one up. The easiest scenario here is to have a capo on the 3rd fret. And with that, we're gonna have the D, G, and B minor. So let's go over the chords. First, the D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. The next chord will be G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And the final chord is the B minor bar chord here. A bar placed on the 2nd fret from the A string and down, so all strings except from the last E here. And then the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Alright, so it will go in that order: D, G, and B minor. So you're gonna start with D, and I'm gonna give you 2 variations here of the D, because we have this bass going on, sort of, if you listen very carefully there in the background. And we also have, of course, the rhythm here. So if you choose to go with the rhythm, we'll use a clap. If you just escape the clap there in the 1st chord, the D here, you can go with this bass. So we're gonna go first with the clap thing here. So it will be just 2 downs on the D and then a clap. So that's how you start, and that's the first alternative here on D. So down, down, clap. Or you can choose to go with the bass note here, which is the 2 downs on the D. And then instead of the clap, you're gonna add the 4th fret on the D string, this note. And that will basically be a D/F sharp chord. But yeah, anyway, you don't need that info. The only thing you want to know here is you're gonna play 2 downs on the D, and you really want to emphasize the bass note here, the open D string, and incorporate even the G string here. And then 1 down on the 4th fret D string. There we have it. All right. So that's 2 different ways of handling it. And then I would suggest you to continue with that clap thing here. That will give you that much more to the sound. Okay, so that's the D part, and I personally would go with the clap thing here on the D as well, just to be yeah, it will sound like a whole thing together here with the clap. Okay, but you can go back and forth with it. Anyway, let's go on to the next chord, which is the G. So you shift quickly there from the clap or the bass note or whatever to G. And here you're gonna play 3 downs, then a clap, and then 1 down. So in total it will be 5 actions here. So 1, 2, 3 downs, clap, down. So like this. Okay, so on G, 1, 2, 3, clap, down. And then you will change to the final chord, the B minor. Here we're gonna play 1, 2, and then clap. And then 1, 2, 3, and clap. And we have 1 action more left. It's the final down or another bass note, okay? So you can go with the final down, and that ends the B minor, or you can play the bass note, which is a transition note to begin a new chord round. And that note you will find here on the 4th fret B string. Sorry, A string. All right, so 4th fret on the A. So this one. So what you do here, you go from the chord here, and you can just release the ring finger and put it on the 4th fret A string. So it will be like this: B minor, 2 downs first, and then clap, and then 1, 2, 3, clap, and then you can end with either a down or this 4th fret A string. And I would suggest you go with the A string. That adds a little bit extra flavor to it, and it makes kind of a mark that it's ending and it starts a new round. So that is pretty much how the song goes through the entire song here. It will be D, 1, 2, clap, or 1, 2, and then added 4th fret D string. And then G, 1, 2, 3, clap down. And then B minor, 1, 2, clap, 1, 2, 3, clap, and then 1 down, or this 4th fret A string. So slowly like this. So I played both variations there. It's up to you. Go back and forth with it and play a little bit, and that's pretty much what Voices is all about. So thank you for watching, guys, and play tuned.